ज्या लोकांनी आपलो लँड विकला आणि आता शेजाराचे लँड करूं नाका डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणून तो चड फुडें आसा एजिटेशनान, पूण त्याच मनशान आपलो लँड विकला, हेच चड दिसतात.
You will give big sermons here to say that no, land should not be sold to outsiders. But when you have a piece of land and you want to sell it because you need money, are you going to sell it to a Goan? No, you will sell it to a Delhi car. Why? Because he is giving you a bigger money. When it comes to a property to the development, Goykarang dita to me, what has happened to Goan traditional builder? They have closed down most of them. You are giving your property to development to Delhi cars. So why? Because they have large capital and you are basically money minded person.
मनीस जागो विकता जाल्यार सरकार कितें दोळे धापून पळयता ही गजाल? How can I mean people can, I mean there can be in terms of various laws which can be stopped. How agricultural land is transferred? How your CRZ area is transferred? In terms of that, this is a system which has worked. Okay,
this system that is facilitating this monta.
This is just not an hypocrisy.
There is a housing bubble in Goa. And the profits from quick conversion from a non-settlement to a settlement land, particularly if that property is then sold as an investment property with the constitution of real estate investment trust, but they're not so complicated. I won't go into that. But basically, we call them windfalls in planning, where it's a huge unearned profit. If you're buying land with a certain understanding of what land you're buying. Now, you want to do some development on that land. You try to do some development, like Yugang said, that will lead to holistic economic development. American Planning Association calls planning community and economic development. They put these two as the main goals of any sort of planning process. And I think if we go back to that, how do we let our own communities get uplifted? How do we let our economies get uplifted so that Goans want to stay in Goa and remain in Goa? That should be the goal of each and every decision on land.